The Institute of Public Health in Ireland, or IPH, promotes cooperation for public health across the island of Ireland. The HealthWell is an all-island health information website hosted by IPH that supports evidence-informed decision-making. One of the exploratory tools on the HealthWell website is the IPH Community Profiles Tool. This can be accessed from the main homepage or any point on the HealthWell via the Exploratory Tools drop-down menu, or directly from the web address iphcommunityprofiles.com. You can also download the IPH Community Profiles Tool as an app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. There are a number of ways you can start the tool from the homepage. You can select the geography you want to view: All Ireland, Republic of Ireland, or Northern Ireland. You can explore the indicators using the range of tab functions on the top right of the screen: View Indicator, Compare Indicators, View Area, Compare Areas. You can also use the search feature to search for an indicator or theme you're interested in. Let's start the tool by using the View Indicator tab. By default, the tool navigates to All Ireland indicators and to the first indicator on the list, Rate of Infant Mortality. You are presented with a number of components on the page: a map showing the value of the indicator for each area, a bar chart and a line chart also showing these values. This is the basic or default view. You can also toggle to the advanced view, which is more sophisticated charts, in this case funnel plots, as well as having the map and table components. You can view the data in a table by using the Map Table toggle feature. Many of the indicators are available for multiple years, and in this example for infant mortality there are 7 years of data available. You can select different years at the bottom of the map to view the data for that year. You can also use the play button to view an animated version of the time series. You can focus on one or more specific areas you're interested in by selecting these areas on the map. If you then click on Zoom Map to Selections, the other components on the page will also display your chosen areas. Re-click on Zoom Map to Selections to cancel your selections, and all areas will be visible again. After generating a map, table or chart of the indicators of interest, you can export these components for use in reports and presentations by clicking on the down arrow feature. To explore a different indicator, click on the Select Indicator button above the map and choose your desired indicator from the drop-down list that appears. If you want to explore a different geography, click on the Select Geography button also above the map and select your geography of interest. To find out more information about each indicator, click on the Metadata button on the top right of the screen. Metadata is detailed information about the source of the data and how the indicator was arrived at. To help you put the data into context, you can view related public health resources on the HealthWell website by clicking on the Related Public Health Resources button on the top right of the page. The Help button, also at the top right of the screen, provides more information on the features and functions of the tool. Let's compare indicators. You can compare indicators by selecting the Compare Indicators tab on the top right of the toolbar. This is useful when you want to compare any two indicators directly. The process is the same as we described previously for View Indicator, except now you are working with two indicators. For example, under the obesity theme, you might want to compare the prevalence of obesity with the percentage of people who are physically inactive. The advanced view contains a range of charts, such as bubble plots, scatter charts, and polygon maps, for further analysis. Let's create a profile of an area. If you want to create a profile for a particular area based on a range of indicators, select the View Area tab on the top right of the toolbar. This view allows you to focus on all indicators for a specific area under a particular theme. The themes and indicators are displayed in a spine chart that presents the area-based indicators as a profile and shows statistical significance of variation where possible. Click on a theme name to see the indicators within that theme. The default area is Dublin City. Choose the area you want to look at from the map, and the components will change accordingly. To map a particular indicator or show it in the line chart, click on your chosen indicator from the spine chart. Let's create a profile to compare areas. If you want to compare more than one area for a range of indicators, select the Compare Areas tab on the top right of the toolbar. The themes and indicators are presented in a spine chart that shows at a glance how one area compares with other areas across a range of indicators and shows statistical significance of variation where possible. Click on a theme name to see the indicators within that theme. The default area is Dublin City. Choose the areas you want to look at from the map, and the components will change accordingly. To remove an area from the spine chart, simply click on the area in the map. To map a particular indicator or show it in the line chart, click on the indicator name in the spine chart. We hope you have found this video about the IPH Community Profiles Tool informative and that you find the tool useful in your work. If you require further assistance, please email us at info@thehealthwell.info.